Okay, this is the A380 and it is about to leave, so this should be an interesting one. So it's just been pulled out. It's been sitting at gate B3. So the Qantas came in about 10 minutes ago and went around that side. But this is the Singapore Airlines A380. So the tank's just gone, and in the background you'll see a 777 that's just arrived. It'll be taxiing down. It's going to go to the next one. There it goes. It came in a bit fast. But the A380 will be on its way very soon. There's a guy standing down by the front tyres. So this is a similar plane to what we flew in to Singapore in a couple of days ago from Heathrow. It was an A380 and it was Singapore Airlines. Whether it's this one or not, I don't know, but probably not. Oh, and here goes a third Qantas, so we'll just shift. This is the third Qantas that's come in the last half hour. There you go. Touchdown. And the front wheel down now. So, it's a Qantas. And on Sunday evening we'll be going home via Qantas.
During the initial external exam, none of Graham's bruising had seemed life-threatening. But after discovering evidence of a fatal head injury in the
He'll disappear around that side of the building, as far as I know.
She quickly notices that one peculiar bruise on Graham's face appears to have a pattern.
Very small
Okay, so
with then parallel linear contusions.
let that disappear because the Singapore is starting to move as well.
Lower abdomen, on the back of his arm near his wrist.
It's a pattern
So,
that Dr. G
okay, we'll shift back to this one.
Like taking a pattern at the bottom. That's what you're going to find at the bottom of the shoe.
There you go.
The marking made by the sole of a shoe could be a virtual fingerprint of what might very well be a murder weapon.
So it's on its way.
I sketch it, I photograph
He'll be
it.
going right down the end.
Photographed it in a way that it could be reproduced in case we needed a one-on-one comparison if they ever found the shoe.
Police now have a litmus test for finding their culprit. Match the shoe print, catch the killer. But first, police need a list of possible suspects.
And here we go.
Provides police with their first lead, an address book found near his body. In it, they discover a listing for Drew Parker, another name familiar to
So
police.
I'll stop it here and we'll put it back on again when he gets down the end.